begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow.
Sad.
Can make you grow.
Super duper sad.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. Telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot. 'Cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it. Bit by bit. It's not ungrateful. Just being helpful for me. 'Cause we gotta go our own way. Gotta go our own way. This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. 'Cause I gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow.
Look at that bunny.
So cute. I want it.
That leave us. I bought some ISEE hair. Let's check it out.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
obviously I'm not going to be wearing this because I've had this in for a week, but I bought this the same time I bought these hairs on Amazon. And the idea is that I want to stop wait, what was I saying? Oh, the idea is I wanted to try wigs, but I didn't want to have to do anything to it, and I wanted to be able to just throw something over my head, do my hair going back, throw something over my head, and this seemed like a good option to, you know, based on what I've seen on social media. And it looks like it'll be low maintenance, which is what I really want. So yeah, it feels good. It's a good buy, I think. I'll have to learn how to wear it, but yeah. Here, working on my computer, and I just noticed that there was a new comment on one of my videos, and I opened the app to read the comment that says, soon tell you what it say. I wanted to subscribe, but the fake accent is annoying. All right, let's talk. When I, Shandean, come on this internet and I post a video on my YouTube channel, if you do not want to subscribe, if you choose not to subscribe, whatever that reason may be, whether it is that you find me annoying, you find my voice annoying, you find the information not to be useful, you don't like the video, you don't like how I do it, it doesn't matter what. Whatever the reason is that you choose not to subscribe is exactly the reason I do not want you to subscribe. Do we understand each other? Like, I am not for everyone. I've never been for everyone. A friend to all is a friend to none. I am not everybody's cup of tea. I have no interest in being everybody's cup of tea. So whatever the reason is that you choose not to subscribe, you could keep that to yourself. I mean, comment if you want, but just so we are on the same page, I do not care. The people that are subscribed, the people who aren't bothered by my fake accent, the people that want me to upload my videos, the people that I'm talking to when I upload my videos. And this goes not just for my videos, but it also goes for my blog. It doesn't matter the reason you choose not to be here. That is exactly the reason I don't want you here. This space is for people who choose to be in it. You get what I say? Just wanted to jump on real quick and say that. Because, like, I know negativity is going to come. But, girl, you could have kept that to yourself. Like, it added no value whatsoever. Maybe you got a confidence boost or something out of it. I don't know. But you could actually keep that to yourself. Because the accent is what it is. The people that I talk to every day with this accent in my everyday life do not have a problem with it. It is fake because it is. I'm Jamaican. My regular accent is Jamaican. And in fact, when me in a Jamaican and more want to talk standard English, that is how I speak. That is what I sound like. So if it's fake to you and it's annoying to you, what do you want me to do about it? I am confused. Anyway, going back to what I'm doing, I'm working on some, like, a new sort of style for my content. And I'm really excited to talk about this. I mentioned it in my last video that I'm doing the 12-week year method, and my third 12-week is about to start, and I'm really excited. So I don't know if you're gonna see this before or after that, but whatever it comes, stay tuned. Hello. I am in Shoppers. You guys remember the other day when my Auntie Trudy and we went to the dollar store and we were talking about getting my eyebrow pencil that I wanted? We didn't get it. We didn't end up coming, so I didn't get it, and now I'm getting it because this, yay, it's Maybelline's Express Brown eyebrow pencil. These draw the most natural brows, okay? Ooh, they've got a sale on them. And I get to earn points. Yay. This is the pencil. It's Maybelline's Express Brown, and it's colored 262 and black brown. Should I buy two? Let me get one of the 260s as well for 20 bucks. But they're bomb. I also need to replace my lip gloss that my kid wasted because I bought. Like, you know when you have a girl kid, she thinks that lip gloss should be used in one go, so she pretty much busted my lip gloss. So I'm looking for it, and I don't even remember where I got it from, and I like it so much. Come on. I have one of these already. I don't know that I want another one. Crap. I don't know where they are. These are all foundations. I bought one of this and I hated it. Yeah, can't find something I look for. Oh, here it is. I don't think this is exactly the one, but I think this is it. This one's $6. Perfect. It's a nice one on this one. Oh, let me see. Forgive my attitude. My perfume is low. Buy one of them for babe, one of these days when I'm doing here. I'm looking like, so currently I'm really enjoying a Ralph Lauren. this one. This is the one I have. It's almost finished. Really enjoying it. But I also was really enjoying the Coach. Another Coach one. So. I'm not gonna buy it today, but I want to try this one as well. But who knows, you know? My husband does not care to be shopping. Say hi to the log. Come on. Okay, so that's all I came for. Lip gloss and eyebrow pencil.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You're the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. You're gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I don't need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you've forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me.
Happy Friday.
For the dumb shit that made you
Happy
done.
Friday. Welcome to the weekend. I want to show you all how this thing works. If you remember a few vlogs ago, I had like something that looked like this, like a Conair one, and I was trying it and it didn't really work out, so I brought it back. I returned it and I got this one I was a little bit skeptical to get a Revlon because I had one of the flat brushes, and after a year it started like really smoking, so I was hesitant to get a Revlon again. But I decided, all right, let's just try it. And y'all, game changer for the little one. Game changer for the little one's hair. Let me show y'all.
Save it now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now.
I know it seemed like the camera lean, but we have a bunch of plans for the long weekend. I'm gonna take you along for another vlog, but yeah, it's going to be a holiday on Monday. Today's Friday, so we got some plans over the long weekend.